Now look student, question number 7. Let R be a relation defined on the set of natural numbers. Natural number means the set starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. As x comma y belongs to R, if means if and only if x divides y for all x y belongs to n. It is clear that x and y all are natural number, which means x and y values start from 1 only, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Show that R is not an equivalence relation. We have to show that the relation of R is not equivalence. Student, I must say one thing, that if we want to prove that the relation is equivalence, which means we have to show three different relation. One is reflexive, one is symmetric, and one is transitive. If it satisfies these three relation, which means it is the equivalence relation. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 7. Look number 7 now. Okay, the given part, given R equal to, now look, the given condition is x comma y is to, that is x comma y belongs to R, and we can say that x divides y for all x comma y belongs to n, which means the set of natural number. X and y belongs to the n means set of natural numbers, mean 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Now look here, x divides y, we'll take that value only which is signifies that x divides y. Now look here, if it is n means set of natural number, will start from 1, 2, 3, 4 obviously. Now first one, 1 comma 1 means if I write here x divides y, which means y is divisible by x. I repeat again, x divides y means y is divisible by x, so we'll put that value only which is completely divisible by x. If I write here 1, 1 divisible, first one is over. If I write here 2 comma 2 divisible, if I write here 3 comma 3 divisible. Now if I write here x divides y, which means y is divisible by x, 2 comma 4, then 3 comma 6, then 4 comma 8, and many more. Like this we can write innumerable numbers which is divisible by particularly in this condition. I've given here dot dot here, now closing the bracket. Now up to this much many numbers are there. Now look here, in this case if I write here that one x to y 4, which means x divides y 3, 6, 4, 8. Now look the sequence here students, look the sequence here. 2 comma 4 belongs to R obviously. If I write here R, 2 comma 4 belongs to R obviously, but 4 comma 2 is not belongs to R, which means if it is not doing so this is the not symmetric relation. I repeat again, look here now, don't confuse. Now look here, therefore 2 comma 4 belongs to R, yeah, clear obviously, but 4 comma 2 not belongs to R, because if I take x 2 and y 4, so y is divisible by x, which means 4 is divisible by 2, so first one is over, belongs to R. But if I write here 4 and 2, then we have to change whole this, and which is does not satisfy the equation obviously. So 4 comma 2 is not belongs to R, so we can say that therefore R is not symmetric relation. Now look the next one, if it is not symmetric, so we no need to go for the equivalence relation, the proving of the equivalence relation, because for proving of equivalence relation we need to satisfy three different relation: reflexive, transitive, and symmetric. But symmetric is not happens here, which means it is not equivalence obviously. So we'll write that therefore R is not equivalence relation. Equivalence relation, as because students, I repeat again, for equivalence relation we need to satisfy three different relations like symmetric, and then transitive, then reflexive. And since it is not symmetric, which means it is not equivalence, no need to go for the other steps, no need to proceed further. Here our answer stops.